Hi everybody, welcome to English 108. So this is just a quick welcome video to kind of give you an idea of where you need to start in class. I'm Mrs. Six, nice to meet you guys. So what you're going to be focusing on is working a little bit on orientation on Tuesday, just getting that all set up and complete. So I'll take you down to like the schedule here. So because you guys are kind of coming in a little bit late, your schedule is going to vary just a little bit. Some things have been moved around in our class. I've taken some stuff out of our class, so you don't have to worry about it. So what I want you to do on Tuesday is just make sure that you're completing the introduction, discussion board assignment, and then the email etiquette assignment. So those are the only two things. Shouldn't take you very long, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes to complete both of those. And then you are going to be combining with my other class for our Class Connects. And right now they started reading The Most Dangerous Game, but you're not really going to, because you're doing orientation this week, you're not going to be popping in with them until next week. So what I would like for you to do is take the last 3 days and to read The Most Dangerous Game. You're going to kind of read it on your own independently. I will tell you there is an assignment that's attached to that. I'm not having you guys complete that assignment. You're kind of exempt from that. So you don't have to worry about anything other than the reading portion of that assignment. So you're going to read The Most Dangerous Game. And then I want you to have that done around Friday. If you need a couple of days into the weekend, that's okay. And then next week, you guys are going to pop in with the rest of the students. We have about 200 additional students that you're going to be popping in with for Class Connect. I will tell you that your class and their class is separate. And then I'll explain some other things to you when we meet in our orientation on Tuesday at 11 o'clock. All right. I will explain how to do these assignments also in that orientation. And then there is going to be a PowerPoint that it's a read aloud PowerPoint. It will help you kind of get through some things for the story. So if you want to use that, you're more than welcome to. But I'm going to show you really quick where to actually find the reading for The Most Dangerous Game. There's 2 places that you can actually find it. I clicked on that content up here, and that's the great place for you guys to find your information. There are things on the left nav here that's our plan, but I don't think it's as user-friendly as the content button. So if it were me, I would go up to the content button to look because sometimes it misses pages that you may need. So you have an orientation video. That's what you're going to be watching here, the introduce yourself video, the assignment. Then you have the email assignment, email etiquette, and then the email etiquette assignment. But when you go into The Most Dangerous Game, you have a couple of places where you can find the text. One is here. It says Online Text Semester 1. So if I click that, The Most Dangerous Game is there. So you can actually click on that and just read from there. The other place that it will always be is down in the actual assignment. So if we go into the unit and then the week, and you have some learn pages that you'll have to read. But if we go down to the read page, then read The Most Dangerous Game by Rich O'Connell. It's also there. The PowerPoint I was referring to is right here. So the reading is also in this, in the PowerPoint. But that basically is just a PowerPoint I use with students in class and to do discussion and things like that. So you have a couple of different places to read. It's not super long. You should definitely be able to read it in like a 3-day time span. So just make sure you do that because when you come back in week 6, we're going to be working on a small paragraph writing assignment that has to do with that. And so you want to make sure that you've read before Monday on the 27th, I believe. Let me just double check. But I believe it's the 27th. Yeah, before the 27th, you want to make sure to have The Most Dangerous Game complete. Okay, so that's it. Welcome. I hope you're having a first good day, and I will definitely touch base with you in Class Connect on Tuesday at 11 o'clock. Should already be in your classroom all set up and ready to go. All right.